bounce. The car is being bouncy. I'm in a twin turbo Z, 500 horsepower, with an unknown supermodel. The road is very bouncy, as you can tell. Now, what do you think is bouncing in the video? It's probably not, well, my car's bouncing for one.
Oh my God.
Do you know what's bouncing in the video?
No.
I don't either. But something's very bouncy.
Shut up.
For all you guys, there you go. I want a minimum of 100,000 hits on this video. And thank you for watching, and there will be more. There will be more of Hot Girl and the Twin Turbo Z. Stay tuned for Hot Girl and an SRT4, and then stay tuned for Hot Girl on an R1. And bouncing will be included.
Fucking weird.